Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am making homemade cassava and plantain fufu with a rich coconut soup, Liberian style. This is exactly what you need on a cold winter night. You already know I'm excited. Let's get started right now. Feel free to use any kind of meat you have. Right here, I am adding the peppers, onion, and garlic. I am also gonna add some seasoning and water. I will let this boil for 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, I remove the fish from the soup and set it aside. After 20 minutes, I added the coconut milk. I will let this cook for 30 minutes. Adjust the seasoning, make sure everything is tasting good. So when you're eating, you can ask yourself, I cooked this soup? I cooked this soup all by myself? I can cook this good? After 30 minutes, add the fish back to the soup. Turn the stove on low. Let the soup simmer for 5 minutes. Feel free to use ripe plantain. Wash and chop them in smaller pieces before adding to the blender. I recommend serving the fufu when you are done making it, so don't let it sit overnight. This was delicious and comforting. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.